Yo, what's up you guys, Lane here, welcome back to a brand new video. I know I have not posted in a while or streamed in a while, but today we hit 720 subscribers, so that means I'm gonna release a 720p quality video. But yeah, it might be a little bit, pixelated, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, this will be part 2 of the Canva thumbnail maker. I made part 1 I'm not sure how long ago, but part 1 will be in the description below if you guys do want to check that out. But the reason why I am making part 2 is because I did not complete everything that Canva has added in the past. They added a lot of new stuff that I did not go over, so that's what we're going to be doing today, like things that Canva has added recently. I'm also going to be helping out people that have asked me before in the past, or that have been trying to do something similar to my stuff from my tutorials. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, but I'm going to get more in depth with this video today, so let's get straight to it. So the first thing that I really want to do right now is add a face to my thumbnail. Now usually my thumbnails have 1 or 2 faces inside of it. It's usually a disgusted or kind of what is that kind of face, and the second one's kind of a happy, more joyful kind of face. But I did make some new faces and some new transparent background pictures of me that I did today, so we're gonna import those right now. Okay, so the first one is kind of this like, oh my god guys, like kind of mongrel, oh my gosh kind of face. Very surprised like that really just happened. I'm probably going to use these for the thumbnail today, but I have 2 others I'm going to go over right now. The other one I have is the Sigma face, like, I don't know, it's probably for a thumbnail of some sort. I have no idea. We'll probably use it in the before and the past, or we'll probably use it in the future. I don't know why I said before in the past, even though I'm currently recording this and these are new. But anyways, and the last one is this one. This one is very depth. It goes very deep with this. This is what I'll probably use for the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna decide right now which one I want to use, which picture of me I want to use for the thumbnail, and then we're gonna get started right now. That looks fine. I'm gonna curve it upwards just because. Do this. Make my body just a little bit bigger. Okay, so next I do want to work on the background. So usually whenever I do my thumbnails, I have an outline sketch of like a gradient. It's like a red, yellow, and orange gradient that is surrounding the outside of the main picture inside the thumbnail. So that's what I'm gonna remake today. So first things first, I'm going to go into the draw section on the side panel. Oh man, do I want the I think this is the marker I want. So 100, let's bump this all the way up to like, yeah, let's bump this all the way up to like, I don't know, 100. All right, so now that we're at 100, we're just gonna sketch out this area. And that, in my case, is the best color for that is white. Boom, there you go. Now you see this, it just like kind of just stops right here. I do want there to be a shadow effect right behind me right here. So I'm gonna select my image, I'm gonna go up here to edit image and click on the tab that says shadows. And then go up here that says glow, and then we can readjust our image from there. and we're gonna do the size of 5 for the shadow. So we're gonna click apply, and it's gonna adjust a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And then we're just gonna drag it along here, and then voila. But you see how it does not have that that you would really want in it, like the shadow effect. That's why they have the shadows for it. But what I usually do, I just completely just keep duplicating it as many times as I want to, as many times as I can, for it to look just right. So right under the 720 at the very top, I'm gonna do subscribers. So I do want to add some little things in there. So I'm gonna add a I'm gonna thicken a line or an arrow right here, kind of signify, like, if I have 720 subscribers, this is gonna go to 720p video. I want to put a lot, but not too much, to the point where it's kind of annoying and people will not click on it. And boom, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, guys, please give me a like and subscribe. And hopefully next video, it will be a 1080p video. Later, gangies.